Hello friends, today we will learn subtraction. The blue sign indicates subtraction sign. It is the subtraction symbol. It is so easy and simple. I hope you friends will learn with me. Let's have an example. 1 minus 1. So what is 1 minus 1? Just subtract the number by another number. Number 1 is written above. So we have to make one line because 1 is written first. Then we have to subtract the number which has written down. Means we have to cut one line. So what has left? 1 minus 1 means we have made one line and we also cut one line because 1 has written in the bottom. So what is left? 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now let's take another example. 2 minus 1 means we have to draw two lines and we have to cut one line because 1 has written in the bottom. So we will cut one line. How many left? Only one left. So 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. I hope you friends have learned. Now let's take another example. 2 minus 2 means we have to subtract 2 because 2 has written in the bottom. How many lines we will draw? We will draw two lines. 1, 2. And how many lines do we have to cut? Two lines because 2 has written in the bottom. So what is left? 0 is left. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. It is very easy. We have to cut the numbers which has written down. Let's have another example. 3 minus 2. We will make 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. We will make 3 lines. And how many do we have to cut? 2 lines we will cut because 2 has written in the bottom. We will cut 2 lines. 1, 2. How many has left? Only 1 is left. Means 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. It is very easy. I hope you friends have learned with me. I will repeat again friends for you. We will make 3 lines, then we will cut 2 lines because 2 has written in the bottom. How many left? 1 left. Let's take another example. 3 minus 3. We will subtract 3. How many lines do we have to make? We will make 3 lines. We will make 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. How many do we have to cut? We will cut 3 lines because 3 has written in the bottom. So we will cut 3 lines. I hope you friends have learned. We will cut 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. How many left? How many lines are left? No lines are left because we have cut 3 lines. All lines we have cut. 0 is left. So 0 is the answer. I hope you guys have learned. Thank you friend. For more educational videos, do subscribe, like, comment and share. This channel has been made for easy learning. I hope you friends have learned a lot. Thank you friends.